Hey there! Ever felt like creating custom forms for your business is more complicated than it should be? Whether you're handling client feedback, booking appointments, or running surveys, designing forms can be a real hassle. But with FormDesigner, it's as easy as drag and drop. Imagine a tool that lets you build and customize forms for any purpose, no coding or design skills required. Today, we're looking into the FormDesigner Lifetime Deal, a fantastic opportunity to get lifetime access at a fraction of the regular price. So, stick around and explore how FormDesigner can simplify your workflow. What is FormDesigner? FormDesigner is a versatile online form builder that empowers users to create various forms, from surveys and quizzes to booking forms and calculators, without needing coding or design skills. It features an intuitive drag-and-drop builder and over 90 pre-made templates, making form creation quick and easy. With advanced options like conditional logic, smart redirects, and security features, FormDesigner lets you fully customize forms to fit specific needs. It integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Sheets, MailChimp, and Telegram, ensuring a smooth workflow. It's the all-in-one solution for effortlessly creating professional, responsive forms. Discover exclusive lifetime deals on AppSumo. Shop now. Here's the deal. FormDesigner's regular price is over $1,159, but on AppSumo, you can grab this powerful form builder for just $59. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access, no recurring fees. You get a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out and see if it's right for you. And if not, no worries, you're covered. License tiers, one-time purchase for $59. With FormDesigner, you get unlimited forms, unlimited fields per form, 500 megabytes of upload storage, logical rules and custom autoresponders, custom subdomain, add custom code, and 1,000 form submissions per month. And the perks don't stop there. You'll also get access to future updates of FormDesigner, no extra charges ever. 5 key features that make FormDesigner stand out. 90 pre-made templates. With various templates to choose from, you're covered for any scenario. Drag and drop builder. Simply drag and drop to add elements and customize the layout without any technical skills. 30+ question types. FormDesigner gives you options for every form need, from multiple choice to drop-downs and more. Advanced analytics integration. Track your form's performance and make data-driven decisions with analytics integration, so you're always in the know. Smart redirects and logic branching. Guide users based on their responses and create an interactive experience with logical rules and branching. Who can benefit from FormDesigner? Event organizers, freelancers, marketing agencies, teachers and trainers, healthcare providers, e-commerce business owners, consultants. Grab a 10% extra discount on AppSumo. Thinking about getting the FormDesigner Lifetime Deal on AppSumo? Good news, you can grab an extra 10% off. Yes, you read that right, additional savings on top of the already discounted price. How to get your extra discount? Visit the FormDesigner Lifetime Deal on AppSumo. Look for a pop-up or banner offering a 10% discount. Enter your email and wait for the discount code in your inbox. Apply the code at checkout and enjoy your extra savings. Why wait? It's savings on top of savings. Don't miss out. FormDesigner reviews on AppSumo. Still waiting? Don't miss out on this opportunity to add FormDesigner to your toolkit and streamline your form building process. Check out the link in the description to explore all the features and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech deals and reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.